Los Angeles Park Rangers, how can I help you?
Hey, hi.
Hi. How can I help you?
This is Tom. I got your email about finding my cat. I am so relieved to finally get Captain Whiskers back.
Okay. Well, this is
What?
this is Tom, but
What
not
do you
Tom
mean?
Deep. This is Ranger Tom.
In the email, you said you found my whiskers. Is this some kind of sick joke?
No, I don't even know what you're talking about, sir.
Do you think it's funny to play these sick jokes on people? I want my damn cat back.
Okay. I'm right.
Do
with
you or do you not have my cat?
No, I don't have your cat.
Will you just give me your address? I want to see for myself.
Okay, I don't have your cat, sir, and I don't know what you're talking about.
Look, I just want my cat back. Enough with the games.
Okay. There's no games.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. I found him. Captain Whiskers, you naughty boy. Where have you been?